If you spend a lot of time on computers, you are one of two kinds of people. You've either tried a mechanical keyboard or you haven't. There are many out there, large and small, cheap and cheerful. Try hard and try not at all. When buying one, you want to know about the packaging, the features, and the way the keys sound. Some will promise you wireless connectivity and 100 words shooting out of your fingertips. Others will bring a warm glow to complement their premium soft touch keys. And the rest will aggravate your carpal tunnel syndrome. But all of this misses the point, and we will make many bad choices along the way as a result. The one unavoidable truth that mechanical keyboard lovers, just like Apple sheeple, have been telling everyone else all along, is that they make everyday tasks feel just a little bit special. And no matter how close your microphone is to those tapping keys, that is not something you can hear through a YouTube video.